Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Italo Jewelry. I will link all the information down below in the description box. Today they have sent me two absolutely stunning bracelets. One is a classic oval cut tennis bracelet and the second one is a heart-shaped bracelet. I will be adding both links down below as well as the information. But off rip, this is just the packaging. It looks super elegant. I love Italo's packaging. This is artisan jewelry. This jewelry is made to look super expensive and be affordable, which I love. And the quality itself is amazing. You know how sometimes you'll get jewelry and over time it'll just be cheap and you could tell that it's not good quality. I don't have this issue with these pieces at all. So really quickly, I'm going to show you guys the heart bracelet up close. These are silver style. And then in the packaging, they give you tons of information how to return it, a bag for your jewelry, how to polish your silver, what it's made out of, returns, pretty much anything that you need to know to return these items is on this paper that they sent. So there's even a polishing cloth that comes with it so that we can keep your jewelry nice and clean. And I'm just showing you guys a little bit of everything that they put inside of the packaging. Very nice, very detailed. They let you know that they disinfected and everything. So shout out to Italo for the very thorough packaging and just doing the best that you can for a jewelry company. I thought this was pretty dope. So I'm just going to show you guys the second bracelet. This is the oval cut tennis bracelet. And I got so many compliments on these guys. I wore these when I went to Puerto Rico recently and everybody complimented me on these bracelets. So I'm just going to show you guys how they look on. They do have cute little snaps and they're pretty decent size. I believe this will fit pretty much anybody. And I just really love the vibes that this gave. I have not worn a tennis bracelet since I was a kid, so I was really feeling this. And I'm just loving how shiny this is. So what I'm going to do is put these on and show you how they look in the lighting that I have on my ring light. And then I'm also going to take these outside and show you guys how they look in natural sunlight as well. Just a few things to mention before I forget. They are having a huge sale on their website. I will link that down below. It's italojewelry.com. And this bracelet also is on sale for $117. Its normal retail price is about $140, which isn't terrible, but they do have tons of coupon codes, and I'll also link my coupon code that they gave me for you guys down below also, so that way you guys can save extra money. Another thing to note is that the shipping is 1 to 2 days, which means you will get your package expeditiously, which is amazing if you have somewhere to go. Just keep that in mind that they do have really fast shipping. I'm loving how these bracelets clasp also. Very sturdy, very durable, and I like the fact that when I wore these with the long sleeve shirt, they did not snag on anything. So right here is just me trying to clamp this bracelet on. I did get my son to end up helping me because I was struggling, and I'm just comparing both bracelets side by side. The oval one is a tiny bit bigger, but overall they are really cute, very dainty. You can wear these with pretty much any outfit. I decided to wear these with a cute sundress that I wore when I went out with my friends, and it was just a whole vibe. It looked really cute with my outfit. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple different looks that I did at home with this. And then I will also show you guys again how it looks outside in natural sunlight. Italo also offers free shipping and 60-day return. So if you do receive something that you're not happy with, you can send it back and get your money back. So I thought that was an awesome detail. And these bracelets, I believe they're just like a one size. I'll double check and put any information down below. But as you can see, I was really feeling myself. I thought these were super cute. And because I was shooting my YouTube videos anyway, I figured why not? I'm going to throw these on and rock out with them. So I'm going to show you guys two more looks and then we're heading outside. And again, I'm living for this packaging. This is so freaking cute and elegant. So just giving you guys another up close shot. And then I'm going to put these on outside and let you guys see how they look in the natural sunlight. And I promise you guys, I'm not even exaggerating. When I tell you I wore these bracelets with about 5 different outfits and looks, I definitely did. So I decided to add a couple snippets here. So here I am on day 2 in front of my house with the packaging yet again, and I'm just going to show you guys how I finessed and wore these jewels. This was with a turtleneck, and I just wanted you guys to see how it looks in the natural sunlight. Very sparkly, very natural, very nice and blinged out without being too extra. Just a really simple piece. So let me know your thoughts down below if you like these bracelets, if you tried Italo before, and I'll also link their information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this review, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.